In this video, I'm going to show you how to open piano roll in BandLab Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your project, and then you want to actually add a new track. So to do this, in the top left, as you can see, in my case, you can see the plus button. If you have a lot of these different tracks already, you'll be able to see the plus button just below your last track. So tap on it, and it's gonna pop up this new track menu. You want to tap on the virtual instruments, which is MIDI. It's this one over here. So you simply want to tap on it, and then from here, you want to go to the top, and as you can see, there's like a bunch of different categories. You want to look for keyboard. Okay, so here you have keyboards. There we go. There's a bunch of different ones over here. You can select whichever one you want. You can even play it to see what it sounds like on the left, and then whenever you're happy, you can just tap on it, like this grand piano, for example. If I tap on it, as you can see, it's going to give me the piano roll. Okay, I can go ahead and now play this. As you can see, it's actually making sounds, and I can go and record something like that. So tap on the recording button at the bottom, and I could go ahead and just basically start playing. It's gonna get recorded. I can stop, and if I go out of here, there we go. As you can see, I now have my piano playing. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.